If you are looking for a one-of-a-kind show, an entertainer who has held shows all across the world, including Las Vegas, will be here to feast your eyes next week on something great. Meet the master of the mind, Guy Bavli. Guy Bavli has an impressive resume. He has been featured on television shows. He headlined his own show at the Caesars Palace in Las Vegas for close to 4 years, and he has performed all over the world. Guy explains what the show is all about.
So in this performance is a show that basically we run all over the world, and I did it in Vegas for many years. It's a very interactive show that incorporates the audience and what's happening in the show itself. Very funny, I'm kind of silly on the show. Not like I'm looking to you right now, very serious, but I'm very silly in what I do, yet I'm creating different kind of phenomenon. So I will take the audience into a trip into the human mind, doing things from mind reading, telekinesis, and psychokinetic, which is moving objects and bending objects. We'll do predictions. We're even going to create a lottery prediction.
Included in the show held in Aruba will be a lottery prediction as well as a poker game challenge. He will select 2 people from the audience, and if either of them can beat him at poker, they will earn big money. Guy says his shows allows the audience to learn more about themselves while being inspired.
It's completely different than any other thing. It's not stand-up comedy, and it's not a singer, and it's not a theater show. It's something that they won't know what it is till they experience it. And I can assure them that when you see the show, it makes you think a lot. On the other note, when you come to the show, you learn a lot of things. Besides being entertained and laughing a lot and having a great ball of time, you learn a lot of things about yourself, a lot of little tricks about the power of the mind that after the show you're able to go home and probably practice it, so it makes you a little bit more powerful than what you actually came with. But it's not a lecture, and we're not selling them anything. It's just pure fun with a lot of hidden motivation.
During our interview, a few ladies walked by us, and Guy asked them to come over. What happened next shocked us all.
Okay, watch very carefully. You see, I'm just waving my hands above. Anything special with your glasses?
No.
No. Right? Broken.
It's not broken.
No, it's not. It's just, it's a style. It's a new style. It's a new style. It's a new style. All right, ready? Same move.
Move.
Okay. That's yours.
Guy says he doesn't have superpowers. He realizes there are skeptics out there regarding his talent, but he clarifies that everyone can achieve what he achieves with his mind.
Skeptics, I'm not trying to convince anybody for anything. I never claimed to have any kind of powers. Even when I did TV shows in the past, and in TV shows in voiceover, they claimed that I say that I do not have. Each of my television shows, everything have a contract that says that I don't have powers. What I do, people make believe that they have powers. I take all the 5 senses that we have, I put them together and to create what other people think is the 6th sense. I don't believe in real psychics. I don't believe that anybody can tell the future and tell you what to do tomorrow.
Tickets are $48 each. They can be purchased at Fusion inside the Alhambra Bazaar. The shows on July 3rd, 4th, and 5th will be hosted at the Alhambra Ballroom.